Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Lisa and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. So over on Instagram, I just did a poll and majority voted you did want to see a what I got for Christmas video. I am sorry for the lack of videos the past couple of months. School got super busy and hectic, but I'm going to try to be better. Let's go ahead and get started. So I tried to group all of the gifts I got into like little categories almost. I feel like this is a good way not only just to see what I got, but I also feel like watching these types of videos is a really good way to get gift ideas for yourself to give people. So to start off, I'm going to talk about my outfit. It's an Adidas sweater. I feel like you can never go wrong with clothes, and I actually did get a little bit more clothes as well that I'll show later, but I just wanted to start off with my outfit since I'm wearing it. So I definitely love the fit of this sweater, and it kind of has like that sleek, sporty look to it. So clothes is always a good option. The next two items go hand in hand, and they're water bottles. If you're like me, you suck at remembering to drink water throughout the day, and that's why I really like this bottle that I got. So it's by the brand or company Healthish, and what I like is it has this like bronze, kind of like bronzy cap to it. The bottle looks kind of like glazed over frosted glass, but it is actually plastic, so it won't break. It's spill proof, and the best part about it is that it has time marks along the side of the bottle as goals. So each hour it tells you where you need to be so you stay on track and don't forget and fall behind on drinking your water. It's a 1 liter bottle, so the goal is to drink 2 a day if you are trying to drink 8 cups of water a day like I am. And then I also got this really pretty bedazzled little Starbucks cup. This one is 24 ounces, so 3 cups a bottle. And I mean, it's always good to have reusable bottles because that way you're reducing plastic use and recycling. This next one is a really good gift idea. It is a silk pillowcase. Silk pillowcases are really good, got hair, are really good for your hair actually, preventing breakage when you sleep, and also really good for your skin. I actually had really been wanting one of these for a while, but they are a little bit on the pricey side for a pillowcase. But I got like this kind of like silver gold, this like silver gray color, which I really like because it'll match with anything. Another really cute gift idea that I got was this little box, and then inside I got a candle. So I mean, I feel like girls always like candles, so you can't go wrong with that. And then next to the candle, I got this little, I don't want to show it, but I got this little, what's it called? Like a gift certificate to get a 1-hour massage. So if you know someone who enjoys getting massages, you can always buy them a certificate to cover the massage for them, and that is like one of my favorite gifts always. Going back to clothes, I got a ton of fuzzy socks. I seriously like live in fuzzy socks. I wear them almost every single day under my boots, and even in the summertime when I'm home, I'll wear fuzzy socks around the house. I think fuzzy socks are always a good idea. I also got a couple pair of sweatpants from Old Navy. So for all of these items, I will try my best to find them and link them down below in case you want to get them for yourself, or if you want to gift them to somebody as well. What I like about these is that you can tighten them at the top by the waist, and then might be easier with the other color to see. At the bottom by the ankle, it kind of has like this elastic cuff so that it is more like form-fitting at the bottom of the pants, and I really like that as well. The last bit of clothes I got was a clinic outfit. So if you know somebody who is in school like me, in the clinic, or you know, just working an office job and needs casual clinic clothes, casual business, oh my god, what is it? Business casual outfits. I think that's what I'm looking for. You can always buy them a nice outfit. So I got another pair of black pants. I personally like more of like the skinny leg fit. And then this cute top from Express. I always love Express clothing. So this is a really pretty color. And then to finally wrap up the clothing kind of department, I did get a pair of boots as well. And I like that they're black because they'll go along with everything. Next up is a little bit of jewelry. So I feel like you can never go wrong with jewelry because I mean, it's always fun to change up what you're wearing and match it with different outfits. This one here is a kind of like a black stone in the center with a gold chain, and I really like how those two go together. Okay, the next category I would say is more like a house based. So if you know somebody who just moved into a house or just got their own apartment, or you know, just likes more of like home-ish kind of pieces, you can do these kind of gifts. So the first one is a little waffle maker to make like homemade waffles, or you know, instead of just popping one into the toaster, you can make one yourself with this. So this is a really cute little waffle maker, and yeah, I can't wait to use this. The next item is a mini little flat screen TV. So my sister and I will be moving into a new apartment together in a few months, so my dad got us a nice little TV. And then there was a third like home item I received, but I actually don't have it with me now. But it was a toolkit. So it's like a cute little like emergency at-home toolkit. I'll actually insert a picture of it here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I feel like that's a good idea if somebody's moving out alone. It's always good to have like a little mini hammer and little tools with you in case something goes wrong. My mom actually got it for me because I actually did have a couple weird problems at my apartment, and that having that toolkit would have come in handy, so she got me one of those, which was a really good idea. This next category is more like if you know somebody studying a specific subject, or you know, it has to be like more specific to their career or hobbies, you can always get them pieces for that. So my sister, since we're both going to optometry school, and obviously a lot of that revolves around glasses, she actually got me this little like repair toolkit for glasses. So it has all the different types of sizes and style of like screwdrivers you need to repair like the hinges and stuff on glasses. And then she got me a set of screws and nose pads to go with that as well. Then she also got me my favorite like glasses cleaner kit, so I can basically fix and clean my glasses, and also this will come in handy for our own patients in the future. Along with buying somebody something specific to their career or hobby, this was a gift to myself. I saw that this book was on sale, so I decided to get it for myself, and that is the Willis Eye Manual. So pretty much it's a book used to help you diagnose and treat eye diseases in the office. So if you know somebody who works in the medical field, you can buy them a book specifically for their like specialty, and that will help them, you know, use this as a reference in the future. Or I mean, even now just looking at it, it's kind of been like a good review for me to look over what I have already learned. And then finally, these were like my little stocking stuffers, and I feel like these would be a good gift idea to put in a bag together for like a friend or something. Little mini face masks. This one is by Burt's Bees. And then also a nice little eye mask. And a Starbucks gift card. Okay, so I think that was everything I got for Christmas this year. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and maybe got some good ideas for shopping for your own friends and family for upcoming holidays and birthdays. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Like I said, I'll try my best to link all of these items below in the description box to make it very simple for you to find them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time.